Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create an FTP account through cPanel to access the file transfer protocol. So let's get right into it. As you'll see, I'm using this support topic because I do not have access to cPanel, but the process is simple enough that you should get everything through this tutorial anyway. Now, what you need to do, of course, is log into cPanel and locate the FTP accounts tool, and at the top of the tool, as you'll see, you'll get this interface. Now for here, you need to enter the desired username here in the login box, enter the desired domain from the drop list here on the domain box. Then you're going to need to enter a secure password and enter it again to confirm it. And after that, you're going to select a directory. Now, this directory that you select will be the top level of access for that account. So for example, if you put home CP test or whatever it is, your home user, and then whatever directory you select, the account will be able to access that directory and all of its subdirectories. Once you're done, then you can set up a quota in megabytes if you want to, or you can just select unlimited. And once that is done, your process is pretty much it. You can use a password generator anyway if your password is too weak. However, you can just write it yourself. It doesn't really matter. Once you're finished with everything, all you need to do is just click on create FTP account, and that is it. And after that, you will have an FTP account to access the file transfer protocol. However, you can use also the file manager of cPanel as well to achieve pretty much the same thing. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.